Today we are going to discuss about chi-square test for goodness of fit. Let us consider one problem. In 120 throws of a single die, the following distributions phase was observed. Okay, so here they given two different category. One is phase, another one is frequency. Here we have six different phases are there, and we have six different frequency also is there. So using this data, can you say that the die is biased or not? Okay. So by using chi-square test for goodness of, okay. So first we write a given values. What is given? N equal to the number of data. That means 6 dias. So we consider n equal to 6. And also they given the observed value, that is called the frequency value, 30, 25, 18, 10 to 22 and 15. So using this data, we are going to find the expected value of this frequency value. Okay. So now we write step number 1. So first we define null hypothesis. It is denoted by H naught. H naught from the coins are unbiased. Next we write the alternative hypothesis. H1 from the coins are biased. Okay. So what is step number 2? We write the level of significance is 5%. Step number 3. To find the chi-square, we know that the test statistics is chi-square equal to sum of observed value minus expected value whole square by expected. At present, we know observed value. Now we are going to find what is expected value of all six bias data. Okay, how to find that one? The expected value of frequency, it is denoted by E. That is equal to adding all observations by total number of data value 6. Okay, if we add data, we get 120 by 6, we get 20. That means the expected number of frequency for each phase, phase 1, phase 2 up to 6 phase, we get only what? 20. Now we write the chi-square table value. First we write observed value. There are 6 phases are there, 30, 25, 18, 10, 20, 22, 15. And we know the expected value phase, we consider 20, 20, 20, 20. Next we find the observed value minus expected value whole square. How to find this? Subtracting 30 minus 20, we get 10, and likewise we get remaining value. Next we find this term. This term is nothing but subtract, divide from third column by second column, we get this one. That means 100 by 25, 25 by 20, 1.25. Likewise we get this one. Next chi-square value, that is nothing but sum of this term. How to find this one? Adding all values, we get chi-square equal to 12.9. Next we write the degree of freedom value, that is nothing but gamma equal to n minus 1. What is n value? N 6 phases, so 6 minus 1, 5. Okay, what is step number 4? Step number 4, we write the table value of chi-square at 5% level of significance for the degree of freedom is 5. That is equal to chi-square equal to 11.07. How to write this one? So using statistical table value, right? Here I will show the chi-square table value. So what is chi-square table value? We consider 0.05. Degree of freedom is 5. That is nothing but what? 11.07. Therefore, we get chi-square equal to 11.07. So next we write step number 5. What is step number 5? We write conclusion by using step number 3 and step number 4. So here the obtained value, which means step number 3 value, chi-square equal to 12. It is strictly less than step number 4, that is table value 11.07. Therefore, H0 is rejected and H1 is accepted. Hence, the difference is highly significant. That is, that what is H1 state? The die is biased. Okay. I hope you are enjoying the session. Thank you.